Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to look at this. Like I already told you during my prelude video, this is not an unboxing video because I didn't get this with the box. This is how I got it. So let's open it and see how this one looks. So this is a the Tomica's 100th anniversary edition, and I immediately bought it because it was a golden color, and this looked absolutely gorgeous. So I bought it. So let me put this cover aside. Okay, so here is the casting itself. So out of the box, the golden color looks absolutely gorgeous. So there is some dust because I already opened it once and kept it back just to see how it looks. So I have two of it because I always buy two Lamborghinis. Specifically when it comes to Tomica, I always buy two. Especially when it's a premium version. So I bought two of it. So there is a difference between this and I think. Okay, so this is the Countach LP400. So the rims are actually, standard rims. This one is actually the older Tomica wheels, not the recent version ones. So the headlights are actually painted, and the tail lights are also painted. But it does look really nice. The scale is really nice. Scale is 1:61. It has some chassis detailing to it, and the body is fully metal. The chassis is plastic. Tires are plastic, and it has this openable part here. The engine block is chromed out on this one. Not too shiny, but you can see that. I don't know if this is plastic or metal because I'm not able to get a gist of this one. This looks like a small metal piece because you can see the plastic interior here. That looks a bit different, but this one looks a bit different if you ask me, because this one feels like a hollow metal actually. I'm not sure about that, but I really like they actually painted throughout inside as well. The golden color. So they really did a nice work on this one. You can see this Takara Tomy 100th anniversary. Okay. Let's do a suspension test. Obviously it has suspension. It's really nice. It is very lightweight, maybe around 23 grams I'm expecting. Let's see. Wow, 32 grams. I didn't expect that one, to be honest. It actually feels very light in hand. Okay, let's do a roll test. Again, Tomicas are not good for rolling, but let's see. Wow, it does roll really well. It touches on that side of the track. Let's see. It does roll really well. Man, that is surprising. Some of the Tomicas which we unboxed last time, that also rolled really well. It doesn't even have any wheel wobble. It rolls really well. I'm really happy about it. Maybe a little wheel wobble on the front wheel, but it is negligible. That rolls really well. So if you guys are able to get this casting, my suggestion would be go ahead and get it because the golden color looks absolutely gorgeous. If you are going to keep it somewhere like this inside inside a acrylic box for on your display and all, that is going to look seriously beautiful. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.